This is Bill Feaver here, and I'm here to talk about how to join Live Good. I've been a member now for just a little over a year. This is my web page to sign up for free. You can sign up for free, and once you sign up, then you're placed in the powerline. The powerline is that everybody that signs up after you is below you in the powerline, and then on every Thursday evening, they have people that have joined and paid to become members then jump above you in the power line. So every week you wait to join, there's people that get above you in the power line. And the power line is important because if you're going to do this as a business, you want to be able to move up and to get people under you and keep them under you so that you build your business. And so that is the reason for signing up. You can sign up for free. You can take a look. You have until Thursday evening at midnight. I think it's Pacific Standard Time to join. And to join, you join for free, but then you go back to this page. Once you sign up, then you'll get referred back to this page, and you can sign up for, it's a one-time $49.95 charge to join, and then it's $9.95 per month to stay a member, or you can join for $99.50 for the whole year. And so it'd be $139 $149 to join for the whole year, for the first year, and then after that it's $99.50 a year. And as a member, this business is this company sells health products, and these products you can see they're ones you can buy outside. You can't buy them these products, but you can buy similar products at way more expensive costs than you can get them from here. This company is selling these products, high quality products, like a Costco at a reduced price. So you have a membership in the company, and then you can buy them at a lower price. So that's basically what you're looking to. As an affiliate, you can make money by signing up people under you, and there's 10 levels that you can build as you build your business. There's a quick start that's paid out every week. Quick starts is for everybody you sign up, you get $25, and those are paid out every week. Then as you build a team below you, you get commissions based on what your other people sign up, who they sign up, and how much they sell as far as the products, or what people buy as products. You do not have to own, you don't have to buy a drop ship, or you don't have to buy a monthly amount of products. You don't have to buy any products if you don't want to. So that is a plus. But there's 7 ways that you can make money. Like I said, there's the weekly fast start. Then there's the matrix commissions. And if you sign up 2 people underneath you, then you start to build your business. So you need to sign up 2 people, and then you start building your business. There's matching bonuses for what your people below you do. There's also retail commissions on what is sold as far as the products. And there's customer acquisition bonuses. And then there's influencer bonuses, and then diamond and crown diamond pools. So as you build your business, there's some people that have built some pretty huge businesses with this little company for $10 a month. So that is what it is. It's pretty easy to join. It's pretty easy to sign up, and it's pretty low price. So that's all I wanted to show you. And so basically, have a good day. If you would, please like my video below. Comment if you need to have any questions answered, and we can go from there. Thank you so much, and have a great day.